Once in a field with the desired system and map layer selected, choose Lasso Region Explorer. Draw around the region you wish to explore. On the right-hand side, bar graphs will be generated showing the minimum, maximum, and average values for the selected area. Underneath the bar chart is displayed acres selected, as well as the acres containing data. Selecting the legend allows you to adjust the range of values you wish to see within that region. Toggling on the highlight mode will allow you to adjust the sliders and highlight any area that falls within that range. Once in the app, select Tools at the bottom of the screen, select Lasso, and then the area that you wish to explore. Displayed below the map will appear minimum, average, and maximum values, as well as the area selected and area that includes data.